Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. As the world navigates uncharted territory where COVID-19 is concerned, members of the Caribbean community are relying on each other now more than ever before. And as regional leaders negotiate better trade deals, the issue of a common currency is again in the spotlight. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles addressed the matter recently at a press briefing.
The Caribbean community, Caricom, is arguably stronger together. Over the years, the regional bloc has managed to agree on several crucial matters. But when it comes to a common currency, the members have largely been at odds. Now that the COVID-19 pandemic might be ushering in a new norm, Caricom heads are reviving these ideas. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles now weighing in.
So it's possible in Caricom also. We just have to agree on that harmonized monetary policy and a responsible fiscal policy throughout all the territories.
A common currency is nothing new to some countries in the region. That's because small territories in the Eastern Caribbean have found consensus on the matter. But while it is possible, Mr. Biles maintains that some countries will have to be willing to give and take.
I think that is something that we would all desire conceptually, but it would have to sit on the foundation of a harmonized monetary and fiscal system. So all the territories would have to subscribe to a similar, if not the exact, monetary policy and some fiscal rules concerning how they operate.
The BOJ governor pointed to the euro, which has been undergoing strain in recent times because of political turmoil within the bloc. He notes that Caricom heads should learn from that occurrence.
You see a lot of the tug-of-war that goes on in the European Union between, say, Germany and Greece. And it's because there's such a disparity between the level of development in that union and the discipline to stick to a particular monetary policy.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Caribbean Development Bank, CDB, is reporting that its newest facility, funded by the 11th European Development Fund, EDF, is oversubscribed. The facility received close to 50 applications from 14 countries. The facility targets organizations in the public and the private sectors that promote integration of Caribbean economies into the global marketplace with a focus on European markets. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.33. The Canadian dollar is going for $105.07. The pound is going for $181.21, while the euro closed the day at $160.02. The JC index gained 751 points today, while the junior market index declined by a point. Among the winners were Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Indus Pharma, Mailpac, and the First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. On the losing side were JMMB 7.25 preference shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Knutsford Express Services, Honeybun, and Dermont Trading preference shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.